Hello everyone. And welcome to another comparison video. Please subscribe to my channel and help me achieve 1000 subscribers. Let's start. Today we will compare upcoming Samsung Galaxy S10 and Huawei Mate 10 Pro. And find out the best one. The Galaxy S10 has a smaller size Super AMOLED display with higher pixels than Mate 20 Pro. However, both devices have a super amazing display. The Mate 20 Pro is thicker than the Samsung Galaxy S10. Although Samsung Galaxy S10 front camera is expected to be 8 MP, while the Mate 20 Pro camera is 24 MP. But still, Samsung camera is loved by their audience for its performance. The Galaxy S10 will have a notch for the camera with infinity display. Samsung is launching a triple camera for their flagship this time, while Mate 20 Pro rear camera setup is outstanding with triple cameras. Samsung Galaxy S10 is expected to be available with 6GB RAM with 128 and 512GB storage and a 512GB SD card slot. While Mate 20 Pro has 8 and 6GB RAM with 256 and 128GB storage option and 256GB SD card. Galaxy S10 will have a latest Exynos 9 chipset while Mate 20 has Kirin 980 chipset. This time Samsung boosted the battery sizes with 3500 mAh battery while Huawei already has a huge 4200 mAh battery. Galaxy S10 will be $100 less in price than the previous Mate 20 Pro. That is a masterpiece smartphone with slightly low price. Both smartphones have better screen protection, with the latest Gorilla Glass 5 and will operate under latest Android Pie 9.1. Both smartphones are compatible with dual SIM options along with a SD card slot. Both smartphones have the latest protection for dust and water with IP68 protection. Samsung Galaxy S10 supports the mobile payment. However, you cannot use Mate 20 Pro to pay any kind of bills as they do not support mobile payment. Fortunately, both devices support the fast as well as wireless charging, with in-display fingerprint scanner. Both devices also have Face ID security while Galaxy S10 do not have iris scanner in the latest flagship. Galaxy S10 will be available in black, blue, grey and other colors. That's all from today's video. In our opinion, Galaxy S10 worth the money as they are giving so many advantages. Which device will you prefer? Let us know by commenting. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.